Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to enable dark mode on Facebook on your iPhones. Now, it's very simple and easy to do. First thing I want to do is make sure you guys are fully updated to the newest Facebook. So to make sure we're on the same page, so just go over to your app store and make sure it doesn't say update for Facebook when you search for it. If it just says open, that means you're good to go. So we can just click on open on Facebook and we'll be in our application. Now, I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so I do have my three lines at the bottom right corner. If you have an older iPhone, you might see your three lines in the top right corner, but you just want to make sure you click on the three lines. And then you would see this menu system right here. All you want to do is scroll down and you will see dark mode tab right here. Just go ahead and click on that. And then you can either follow your system settings. So in my case, that would be dark, or you can just turn on dark mode for this application by itself by clicking on. So totally up to you. I'm just going to click on system on mine because everything else in my phone is dark. And then as you guys can see, you now have the dark mode on Facebook. Very, very simple and easy to turn on. Anyhow, I really hope I helped you guys out with showing you guys how to turn on dark mode on Facebook. If this video did help you, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.